Right, Nokwanda, I see you are farming herbs. How is it different from farming other normal vegetables?
Okay, it's not so different because at the end of the day, vegetables are vegetables. These are just minute vegetables. So they need you to be extra careful because they are tiny. Do the whole netting situation. I
Yes.
cannot stop reiterating about shelter because it protects you from rain, it protects you from too much sunlight. Emma herbs, lamang and coriander, I think you need to plant in indoors if it's winter, outdoors if it's summer. So we're also trying to look for an indoor space in terms of like space in Jesaka fresh leaf sange cuts when Emma microgreens, because we also do microgreens. We work with a lot of chefs, so those need specific lighting, LED lighting for microgreens. Otherwise, herbs and edible flowers don't really need too much intricate or special treatment, but just to make sure that they are sheltered and watered, not too much,